Inside this box is Alleycat, a game I never thought I would own. And now looking at it, got it! Like, goddamn. This is gonna be a short video. I'm unboxing it right now as we speak. This is huge for me. I never thought I would get this game. I literally manifested it. You ask what you receive. Actually, I'm gonna need something. Be right back. Alright, I got the scissors. Never do this. Be careful when you do it. If you're not experienced, then don't do it. Because, boy, I could just open it from right here. Damn. Why is it taped? Ow, fuck. Yeah, that's what I mean. Don't do this unless you want it to happen. Okay. Moment of truth. Sorry, this is taking a while, but bruh, this is why I hate. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's soft. Okay, I don't got all day. I'm trying to open this. Hang on. No fucking way. No fucking way. No fucking way. No fucking way. Yeah! Fuck yes! No fucking way! This is it! Right here! The game I have been manifesting for so long. The game I've been manifesting for so fucking long is in my fucking hands right now. Like, oh my fucking god. No fucking way. I never thought I would be able to get this. I'm gonna... ignore him, but... anyways, that is it for today's short video. Like, comment, subscribe, I'm out. By the way, I didn't show you the back, so here it is in all its glory. Let's look at that. My fucking god, it's beautiful. I'm keeping this right here, by the way. Right here.